Hey you guys, what's up? It's Vicky J and Solo.
Hi.
And Solomon surprised me because I totally forgot that today was the return of the Popeyes chicken sandwich. So he surprised me with this. Here, babe, take it. How many did you get, honey?
I got 6.
6 spicy Popeyes chicken sandwiches.
Oh, oh.
Thank you.
And
We just thought...
Extra spicy sauce.
Oh, okay. Is that what that is over there?
Yes.
Okay. So he got himself some extra spicy sauce, spicy mayo that comes on the spicy chicken sandwich. And I'm sure you guys have seen it already, you know. It's not new, right? The phenomenon has passed, but we figured since in honor of it being back in stock, we would do a cute little mukbang. I've never done a mukbang or mukbang, sorry. Never done one before, but I do watch them. And we're just going to have a little dip. What is happening back there? You happy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, we're going to take a bite, okay?
A bite.
Mm. We're so over the top.
A bite. Just a bite.
It's delicious. Somebody needs their own channel. Yeah, this tastes really good.
The best. Guys.
Take a look, y'all. Delish. Now, I'm only going to be able to get through one of these. I don't know how many he plans to eat tonight, but I'm just going to do this one right here.
3.
We're not eating 3 days.
Okay. With my spicy sauce on it.
Okay. For those of you who don't know, the spicy chicken sandwich or the chicken sandwich from Popeyes comes on a butter brioche roll. It comes with chicken breast, a fried chicken breast. And you can either get like, and it comes with 2 pickles, and you can get spicy mayo, or you can get a classic, which is just regular mayo. I don't think they have like the deluxe with lettuce and tomato and all that. I think it's just really simple, you know, it's just a little something to go between the bread. And the pickle is a little bit of a bite in between the richness of the chicken and spicy mayo. This is a big girl right here. She big. This is delicious. I'm trying to remember if I ever had the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. I'm trying to remember. Because I've only ever been to Chick-fil-A one time. And I think I got a chicken sandwich when I went. And it was cool, you know. It was all right. Well, I took a bite of this right here. I said, yes, ma'am.
It's good, brother. Too good.
And at first, my husband didn't want to get the sandwich. I said, let me get it first. Or I just wanted it, and he wanted, like, a meal or something like that. I can't remember exactly, but I let him try mine. And it was a wrap. I'm such a generous wife. So, I'm really excited that it's back in stock because it's been out of stock for like a couple months now. And it's really good, man.
Guys, go and get yours too.
All right, hurry up before the rush.
Go to rush. I got 6. Tomorrow I'm going to get 6 again.
Everybody calm down. Everybody needs to calm down. I don't think it's going to be out of stock anytime soon.
So.
Because they can see, I'm sure that Popeyes has seen a demand for the sandwich. And they deliberately debuted it again on a Sunday because they know Chick-fil-A is closed on Sunday. I thought that was hilarious. But yeah, there was like a whole chicken sandwich wars on Twitter, talking all this smack. All the fast food companies that have chicken sandwiches were chiming in. It was super funny. I feel like everybody has their time where something like really dope comes out and you're like, I want to go here for this thing, I want to go here for that thing. Man. And right now it's Popeyes chicken sandwich, man.
This Popeye chicken was my money, $4. Good.
Yeah, it's only $3.99 for the sandwich. I think the combo, I don't know how much that is because I never get the combo.
Still the same price.
No, it isn't.
I got mine.
Baby, that's not a combo. You got sandwiches. You just got the sandwich by itself. This look that I'm wearing, I did a video for it. I'm trying to upload it for you guys, but I did it on my camera. On my phone, so I don't really know how to upload it and edit it. So I'm trying to figure that out right now, so bear with me. Try to get it up by my birthday at least.
One done.
You just finished one?
Yeah.
I'm only half done. I just dropped some chicken skin.
One done.
Let me throw that away, hold on.
Two to go again. Wow.
This man probably really is going to eat 3 chicken sandwiches in under 10 minutes. How are you tasting it?
How am I going to taste it again?
I'm just trying to savor the flavor.
Already there. It's been tested already. It's nice. Good. One more bite. Okay, but yeah. I advise you guys outside there, go get yours, please. Wherever you are, go get yours.
I'm actually full. I'm gonna hold on to this for a little bit.
For life. Thank you, brothers. Good night.
All right.
Enjoy yourself.
Have a little lemonade. Would you like a sip?
No.
Okay.
To spoil the taste for me now. Okay.
Let's see how my lipstick is holding up, you guys. Not bad.
Okay. Not bad.
Not too shabby.
Bye-bye.
All right. We're going to get out of here, you guys. I guess he's finished. I'm definitely done for a while, so thanks for watching. This is our first time doing one of these, so I don't really know how they're supposed to go. You just eat and talk, right?
Yeah, eat and talk.
Comment below. Let us know if you guys are planning to get the sandwich. I've been looking the wrong way the whole time. Let me know if you guys plan to get the sandwich. Which one is your favorite, the classic or the spicy? Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. This is, if you guys like mukbangs, let me know. And we'll see you next time.